Hello students, today let's learn how to evaluate a postfix expression using a stack. We will be considering only single digit operands in the expression. Let's see the example. So here I have written one infix expression. 2 plus 3 star 4 is the infix expression. What is the postfix form of it? You all know how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. So the postfix form of this is 2, 3, 4 star plus is the postfix expression. Now we have to evaluate this expression. Again, this expression should also be input as a string because it has numerals and it has the operators plus, minus, star and slash. So input this as a string. Take the tokens one by one, then we have to process it. And for this, we use stack. Then what should be pushed to the stack? Whenever we encounter an operand, we push the operand to the stack. Whenever we encounter an operator, we have to pop two elements from the stack and perform the operation on those operands, push the intermediate result to the stack. So we have to do this till we reach the end of the postfix expression. Let's see how to do that. Now the expression we are considering is 2, 3, 4 star plus. We have a stack with the size 3 and top is initialized to -1. Now let us consider the tokens. The first token we consider is 2. Since it is an operand, we have to push this operand to the stack. Currently the stack is empty. We will be pushing 2 to the 0th position of the stack. So top becomes 0. At this position we push 2 to the stack. Then we have 3. Since it is an operand, push this also to stack. So stack top is 1. Then we have 4. The token is 4. 4 is also an operand. Push 4 also to stack. So top is 2. So this is how the stack is. Next we have star. Star is an operator. We have to perform the operation with these operands. Now how do we pop the elements? Now that we have star as a token, we have to pop two operands from stack and perform the operation. Remember, when we pop, the first element to be popped is 4. That will be operand 2, that is the second operand. So pop this, that becomes the second operand. So 4 is the second operand. Then pop, once you pop this, on top of the stack we have 3, pop that also, that is our operand 1. Then we have to perform this operation on that is multiplication operation. So this is the operation that is to be performed, 3 multiplied by 4. So the result is 4 3s are 12. So this intermediate result has to be pushed to the stack. The stack we have already popped 3. Stack contents will be 2, 12 and stack top will be 1. So what did we do? We first pop the element, that is our operand 2. We pop the next element, that is our operand 1. We applied this operation on those two operands. We got some intermediate result. This is not the final result. This intermediate result has to be pushed to the stack. So now on top of stack we have 12 and top is 1. Then we have the next token, that is plus. Since this is an operator, we have to pop two elements from stack. So what is the first element we pop? It is 12. So this becomes operand 2. So 12 is popped. Then on top of stack we have to pop this also. So this is 2. Then apply this operation. Plus is the operation. Apply the operation on these two values. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Push this result to stack. And the stack top now is 0. Next, we have reached the end of the postfix string. So once we reach the end of the string, whatever we have on top of the string, on top of the stack is the final result of evaluating this expression. So 14 is the result. So just pop from stack, then that will be the output. So output is pop from stack. So that is equal to 14. So now the expression 2, 3, 4 star plus is evaluated. Now let us consider one more example which is having a bigger expression than this. We have a bigger expression here. The infix expression is 6/2 minus 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2. The postfix form of this I have already written here. It is 62/3 minus 42 star plus. So now this is the expression we have to evaluate. Again, as I said, we will be giving this as input. As a string, we will consider the tokens. The first token is 6. The first token is 6. Push it to stack. Top is 0. The next token is 2. Push it to stack. Top is 1. The next token is slash. So now that we have encountered an operator, we have to pop two elements from stack. What do we pop? The first operand we pop is 2, and that will be the operand 2. I have written here operand 1 symbol operand 2. This is the operation we are going to perform. So we have written operand 1 symbol operand 2. That is, we have to apply the symbol operation on operand 1 and operand 2. The first pop will be 2 and that becomes operand 2. So here we pop 2. Then we pop the next top element, that is 6. So that is the operand 1. So 6 is also popped from stack. Currently the stack is empty. Then what is the operation we want to perform? It is division operation. So 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Push this intermediate result to the stack. So now on stack you have 3. So it was, I'll not drop this. It was 6 to, it was 6 to. Now we have popped this. We have done the operation. Now on top of stack we have 3. Then we have mine. The next operand we have is 3. We have 3 here. Since it is an operand, push it to stack. We have 3, stack top is 1. Stack top is 1. Then we have minus. Since we have an operator, we have to pop 2 elements. So pop 3, then the next element, pop this, apply the operation minus. So this 3 minus 3. So this 3 minus 3 is 0. Again this is an intermediate result. Push this to stack. So we are pushing 0 here. Now top is also 0. That is, at the 0th position in the stack we have the element 0. Then we have after the minus, the next token is 4. So the next token is 4. push it to stack. When you have an operand, we have to just push it. Don't think anything other than that. So now in stack we have 0 and 4. The next token we have is 2. So 2, since it is an operand, push it to stack. So now on the stack we have 0, 4 and 2. The next token is star. It is an operator. So pop 2 elements from stack. So pop 2, that becomes your operand 2. Then we have 4, pop that, so that becomes our operand 1. Apply this operation, star operation. 4 2s are 8. Now we had 0 here, these two are popped, 8 we are pushing to the stack, top is 1. Then we have plus. So plus is the next token. Again this is an operator, pop 2 elements. So pop 8, so this becomes operand 2. Then we have 0 here, pop this, apply this operation, plus 0 plus 8 is 8. Push 8 to stack. So stack top is 0. Stack top is 0. We have reached the end of the postfix string. That means we have processed all the tokens of the postfix string. Now you have the result on top of the stack. So on top of the stack, whatever we have at the end of this, once we reach the end of the string, here we have the result. So the result of the evaluation of this postfix expression is 8. So this is how we can use stack for evaluating the postfix expression. Again, remember, we are considering postfix expression with single digit operands. If you write something like this as 3, 4 plus, it is not 34 plus, it is 3 and 4 you are adding. It's like that. So this is what we call it as single digit operands. So this is how the stack is made use of for evaluating the postfix expression. Hope you could follow. In the next video, we will write the program for evaluating the postfix expression. Thank you.